Hi there, welcome to the short video on searching for materials via the PlaceMakers Price Book with the next minute. Type a material into the search bar and hit enter. Narrow your search down by selecting category, class, and subclass. Select the product, enter a quantity, and save. If you know the product SKU number, enter it into the search bar and hit enter. Select, add quantity, and hit save. You can also enter the product name into the search bar. Hit enter and select from the list. View product pricing when searching by selecting Get Pricing here. Also, you can search for items that are stocked at your branch by ticking Show Stocked Items Only. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has helped. Please see our knowledge base for more how-to videos and articles.